This morning we are on our way to Mysuru and I've been invited to inaugurate a restaurant. What this establishment is seeking to do interested me.
This is made from 100% whole wheat. We avoid using white salt, white sugar. We don't use refined oil in this.
Well, this is a pizza that's loaded. This is called the Exotica. There's a bit of thickness in the pizza base because it's a whole wheat.
This is paneer tikka.
This is certainly a pizza that's a little floppier as opposed to the last pizza that we tasted. I can taste the flavor of the paneer in that. The garlic bread looks as exciting as a pizza. I also like the crunch of that pizza.
This is thin crust.
So I think in the thin crust you're also tasting a lot more of the spice blend and the ingredients. Namaskara folks, we've just entered the Mysuru Expressway and this morning we are on our way to Mysuru. Now it so happens that I've been invited to launch a restaurant, actually to inaugurate a restaurant. I do very few of these, but what this establishment is seeking to do interested me. So this is a pizza place and they're making pizzas without maida, without sugar, without white salt. So I quite like the philosophy of what they were trying to do. So when they reached out and invited me to launch the place, to inaugurate the place, I said yes, why not? So I thought I would take the cameras along and capture a bit of the action for you to savor. Namaskar, Mr. Mohan. Nice to meet you. Namaskar. Thank you. That was quite a welcome. Nice to meet you. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? Just 1 minute. Namaskara. How are you?
I'm very big fan of you.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
I'm from Udupi.
Udupi. You came here to meet me.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. All right. ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗಲಿ.
Thank you, sir.
I want to now see what makes that pizza special. Who's the pizza expert here?
Akshar.
Mr. Akshar.
हम को फाउंडर हैं तो
अच्छा, co-founders. और वो ब्रांड है हर्ब्स ऑन
हैव पिज्जा
It's in Jaipur. Jaipur.
जयपुर से है ये. सो क्या स्पेशल क्या है इस पिज्जा में?
ये-
आपका नाम क्या मैम?
विद्या
ओके.
100% होल व्हीट है
हाँ.
और रॉक सॉल्ट है इसमें,
अच्छा.
ब्राउन शुगर है.
And no maida. This is made from 100% whole wheat. We avoid using white salt,
Okay.
white sugar, and we don't use refined oil in this.
So what do you use for fat?
Groundnut.
Groundnut oil. So there's no refined oil, no white sugar, no white salt, and no maida.
No man.
So it's only whole wheat. And then some herbs that go into it.
ये है.
Basil, oregano.
Wonderful.
This is makka atta.
Corn flour. Ah, wonderful. Well, we've all tasted pizzas and we love our pizzas, but out here this place is doing a healthier take on pizza with some whole wheat flour. What sugar do you use? Sweetness?
देसी शुगर आती है सर, जिसमें केमिकल नहीं डलते.
Ah, so the unrefined sugar.
नो शुगर.
Wonderful. So also the color is a little off-white.
We have to bake it before we use the toppings in this.
So this is now half baked.
Yeah, this is half baked.
Okay.
Now we will put the sauce. We bake the pizza sauce in house.
So what pizza are you making?
We are making exotica.
Exotica. So what does the exotica have?
All the veggies we have, toppings that we have, we put everything in this. That's a liquid cheese.
Liquid cheese.
Yes. This base, it will be a little dry.
Okay.
So that when we bake it without liquid cheese, it will be very dry.
Because of the whole wheat.
Yes, because of the wheat.
What is that cheese?
This is mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Yes.
Some capsicum. Well, that's the Exotica whole wheat pizza. The kitchen's a bit cramped here, so we're trying to capture as much as we can in the space constraint that we have. There's also a bunch of people around here. As you can imagine, the excitement of a new place here in Mysuru seems to have brought many people to Herbs on Pizza here at Hotel Golden Riviera. We had some homemade tomato sauce that went in there, followed by a liquid cheese to give that pizza a bit of moistness. And then, of course, the mozzarella, followed by the onions, the capsicum, the jalapenos, and now there's some olive that's going into it. Well, after that welcome, finally we get an opportunity to introduce Mr. Mohan.
Yes, sir.
It was him and his wife, Mrs. Lakshmi,
Lakshmi, sir.
who reached out to us and told us about this hotel of theirs here in Mysuru,
Yes, sir.
Hotel Golden Riviera. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರಿಮಳ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I can smell some gongura, I can smell some. So ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು Andhra restaurant.
Yes, sir.
The aroma of that food certainly seems to suggest that today, of course, we are here for the pizza.
Today it's mango papu, sir.
Mango pappu,
Yeah.
tomato bath.
Yes, sir. Veg kurma. Poriyal, boiled poriyal. This is
Rice
kheer.
paisam, rice kheer.
Kheer, sir, it is. And this is rasam.
Ah.
This is sambar, sir.
Of course, the gongura and also the
Bitter gourd oil fry. And this is main gunpowder.
Papula podi. That's what you should be having with some annam and some neem.
Yes.
My heart is actually craving that. At the end of the day, we love our Indian food. But today the agenda is to taste some pizza. That's what they've invited me for. Wonderful, very nice. Well, ಇದು ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಮೈದಾ, ನೋ ವೈಟ್ ಶುಗರ್, ನೋ ವೈಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ರಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಯಿಲ್. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಟ್ ಹಬ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ರಿವಿಯರಾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದರ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಥರ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ನಾನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. Well, the excitement of a place that's just opened, pizza ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಉಂಟು?
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮೈದಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈದಾ. ವಿ ಥಾಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ಬೈ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್.
हाँ, so it's a unique partnership.
या
So आपका ये जयपुर में है नहीं तो? हाँ, जयपुर में 2 स्टोर्स हैं.
दो stores।
इजाज़ किसने किया इसका?
ये सर लॉकडाउन था,
हाँ,
तो लॉकडाउन में ये लॉयर है।
and you're making pizzas now.
Yeah. After working for 4.5 years, now I'm doing this.
Wonderful. And Mr. Mohan spotted them all the way in Jaipur,
Yes, sir.
and he brought them here to Mysuru. Some stretchy cheese right there. Well, this is a pizza that's loaded. This is called the Exotica.
मैं थोड़ी हेल्थ के प्रति
Conscious
थोड़ी
हो.
जागरूक ज्यादा हूँ।
Well, this is a pizza that certainly has a lot of things on it. There's the jalapeno, there's the stringy cheese that probably is from the mozzarella. I can also spot somewhere in there moist bits, and I think that's the liquid cheese. And then, of course, there's a chili, the corn, and all of that. Enough talking, let's get to the eating. So you're biting into the crunch of the pizza. There's a bit of thickness in the pizza base because it's a whole wheat. Maida pizza would probably be very light, very floppy, very airy. But this is a whole wheat pizza. So that whole wheat pizza will have a bit of structure, and that's what you're biting into. And then there's the moistness that comes from the sauce, the tomato sauce. It's a little spicy as well. The spices that I'm getting is from the jalapeno, which is the
Jalapeno and this red pepper.
This pizza is like a homemade pizza. अगर मैं आपके घर पे आऊँ जयपुर में और अगर आप मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खिलाओगे तो मुझे इस किस्म का पिज़्ज़ा मिलेगा.
जयपुर में सर थोड़ा सा क्रंची ज़्यादा खिलाऊंगी आपको.
हाँ,
हाँ यहाँ थोड़ा क्रंची कम पसंद करते हैं.
really? Why did you want to do a healthy pizza?
We need to go according to the customer taste.
हाँ,
That's what we had preferred main thing.
pizzas certainly are the flavor these days.
Yeah.
But I think pizzas like these you don't see too many. So this is your,
This is paneer tikka.
and who's this young man?
Yes, Mr. Ganesh, my sister's son, is also the person who had involved in this.
Wonderful. So it's like a family
Yeah.
enterprise.
They are doing together.
So come, we'll taste the pizza. So what's your favorite pizza here?
This one.
This one? Paneer pizza.
Yeah.
So maybe for this one we should get his feedback on the pizza. Maybe we'll give the mic to him. So Kanishk, you'll taste the pizza with me.
Yes sir.
This is certainly a pizza that's a little floppier as opposed to the last pizza that we tasted. Well, the atmosphere here is that of a celebration because after all, this is the opening of a restaurant. So it's not really a structured review, but we're just enjoying the pizza, right?
Yes sir.
Cheers. There's certainly a pizza that seems to have a lot on it. What is there in this?
Paneer, cheese, some liquid cheese, sir,
Huh.
and some garnishing, sir. And some onions. Customers can customize it however they want, sir. They can add some extra toppings also in it.
Ah.
They can add jalapenos, tomatoes, anything they want.
And what have you added? Is there some corn in that? What do I
Yes, sir.
see in
Corn
that?
and onions have added.
Corn and
Because
onion.
that
So
tastes
you've
good.
added this.
Yeah.
So that's your favorite combination here. You have some fried onions in this. I can taste the flavor of the paneer in that, huh?
अच्छा लगा सर?
अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Everything is made fresh, sir. Nothing is like packed or freezed and nothing is this. Except even the vegetables are also kept in a slider boxes.
Huh.
So they can customize. Customer can see that.
How old are you?
I'm 18, sir.
I like the fact that you're so involved in the making of the pizza. So what's your second best?
Margarita.
Margarita.
That's purely cheese.
Purely cheese. And
Nothing is added.
Huh.
They can add some chili flakes for that and you can eat it.
What I certainly feel is that the base of the pizza has a lot more strength
Strength, sir.
as opposed to typical pizzas.
Because it's whole wheat, no maida. So you can feel the texture soft.
Oh, the garlic bread. The garlic bread looks as exciting as a pizza. Yeah, please. Oh, this is like a stuffed garlic bread. Ah, I can see all that cheese waiting to ooze out. Huh? Busy there, busy there. This is certainly as stringy, as cheesy as a pizza can get. How do you get this idea of doing a garlic bread like this?
सर बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी, पूरे 6 महीने तक तो टेस्टिंग चली सर.
So yours is also a family enterprise and yours is also a family enterprise. So it's a meeting of two families. That's what it is.
From so long, discussions are going on. Right now we are into on stage.
Let's taste the pizza. Not the pizza, sorry.
Garlic.
Garlic bread. Because I'm thinking of a calzone in my mind. I'm not thinking of a garlic bread. Ooh. Tasty things are always messy to eat. I also like the crunch of that pizza.
Crunchy.
In the previous pizzas, the pizzas were baked only from the underside. But out here, it's baked from the underside and then also from the top. So therefore, that base certainly gets a very different, crunchy, crackling sort of a texture almost. Arey, more pizzas.
This is thin crust. We put up makhani gravy in it.
So there's no tomato base in this?
There is tomato base and makhani gravy as well.
I like the paneer. Where do you get the paneer from?
We'll do it ourselves, our own menu.
Oh, you do your own paneer? So I think in the thin crust you're also tasting a lot more of the flavor that comes from the masala, the spice blend and the ingredients. Amongst the three pizzas that I tasted, I liked the first one as well. So if you want something which is very healthy with a lot of the veggies, that. But I think flavor wise, this, the paneer makhni on a thin crust is my number one choice. Smile everybody. I enjoyed my conversation with you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wish you the very best. Thank you. Wish you the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very happy.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, that was quite an exit from Hotel Golden Riviera. Never seen something like this, and it was quite overwhelming, so to speak, both the entry and the exit. And if you're wondering about my shirt change, well, it so happened that after tasting the pizzas, we got into a stream of selfies, and before we knew it was time to head out. And since I'm heading out into some other shoots, I thought I'd change my shirt. So all in all, a very interesting afternoon here in Mysuru, tasting some pizzas that I haven't tasted before. If you're looking for pizzas with a health quotient, I think these are certainly pizzas that you can try out. My favorite was the thin crust pizza, that I tasted with the paneer makhni, and also the garlic bread that they do here in a calzone sort of style. What I found very interesting was the fact that this enterprise represents the coming together of two families. A family from Jaipur who during the course of the lockdown a couple of years ago created this healthy take on a pizza, and this family here in Mysuru who wanted to offer an interesting pizza offering in their hotel here. So if you're in Mysuru and fancy a healthier take on pizza, certainly check out Herbs on Pizza at Hotel Golden Riviera here in Vijayanagar. So that's it for the short vlog. Since I was coming here to launch this restaurant, I thought I would bring you along as well. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.